Alrighty, back with another quick little review. This time we're reviewing these Teva shoes. These are the ReEmber Terrains. That's a men's size 10. And I was a longtime user of the Teva shoes that I found on Instagram, actually. I did a random one-time purchase from Instagram, found some Teva shoes, and I wore them for years. They were my favorite shoes. And I like Tevas because they designed these shoes to basically be slip-ons that you can wear in virtually any scenario. So the previous pair I got from Teva were really nice. They were a little bit different because they had a kind of like a loose bendable fabric portion right here that went on the back of the heel, and you could fold it down and then just step in, or you could pull it out and it would go around your heel, and it would make the lifting of your foot a little bit more comfortable for longer distances. But I got these because they're the same brand and they're similar to what I was working with before. And as you can see, there's a nice foam / rubber sole in there, ultra comfort. There's a little bit of felt right here. There are these loops to help you pull them on and off. And then this material is kind of like a soft fabric with kind of like a wave pattern or a wood grain pattern on there. A nice rubber sole with a kind of like a pebbled texture, but it's very, very solid. Again, I had these for years with no issues. Just a little bit of wear, actually less than your average tennis shoe because you're doing mostly walking in them. All right, let's try these out on a walk and see how they feel. My daughter seems to like them. That's hilarious. So I've worn these on a couple of walks so far, and I think that if you like clog style shoes, these are going to be okay for you. They're very well produced. They're made with high quality materials. They have really, really great insoles. They're super comfortable, and you can tell they absorbed impact really well, so they did a really good job on those. But the fact that the heel slips is really uncomfortable for me personally. I think that they made a mistake when they made these ReEmbers with a different design. That little lip in the back where you could cover the heel really did it for me. So my recommendation is, if you like clog style, these are a very well made shoe, but if you don't, you should try to find something else. That's my review, and thanks for watching.